हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू हबीब्स इंग्लिश एकेडमी। आज की इस इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो में मैं आपसे कुछ पॉइंट्स शेयर करने जा रहा हूं कि बेसिक स्टूडेंट्स एक ऐसे कैसे लिख सकते हैं। जैसा कि आपको मालूम है कि हबीब्स इंग्लिश एकेडमी में डेली बेसिक टॉपिक्स दिए जाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स को, ताकि वो उन पर बेसिक प्रैक्टिस करें, ताकि उनकी बेसिक लैंग्वेज इम्प्रूव हो सके। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड कि अपना ऐसे हम किस तरह से इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं और कौन कौन सी चीज़ें होती हैं जिनसे हम ऐसे इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं। बेसिकली कुछ चीज़ें ये हैं कि अगर आपको एक अच्छा सा ऐसे लिखना है तो उसके लिए आपके पास वोकेबलरी होनी चाहिए और नॉलेज होनी चाहिए लैंग्वेज के बारे में समहाउ। एंड फिर आप उसके बारे में, उस टॉपिक के बारे में नॉलेज लेंगे और फिर आप उस पर लिखेंगे ब्रेन स्टॉर्मिंग करने के बाद। हमारे पास आज 5 इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं जो हम आज डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं एक अच्छा ऐसे लिखने के लिए। एंड तक देखिएगा ताकि आपको मालूम हो कि आप एक अच्छा ऐसे किस तरह से लिख सकते हैं। स्पेशली ये लेक्चर उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है जो बेसिकली अपनी स्पोकन इंग्लिश भी इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि स्पोकन इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव करने के लिए आपकी रिटन इंग्लिश अच्छी होनी चाहिए और रिटन इंग्लिश अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो ही आपकी स्पोकन इंग्लिश भी बेहतरीन हो सकती है। आज का हमारा पहला पॉइंट जो हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं ऐसे राइटिंग के बारे में, बेसिक ऐसे किस तरह से इम्प्रूव किया जाता है, वो है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल चूज अ क्लियर टॉपिक सेंटेंस। एक टॉपिक सेंटेंस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टॉपिक क्या, क्लियर टॉपिक या टॉपिक सेंटेंस क्या होता है कि आपके पास टॉपिक पहले तो होना चाहिए कि आप किस चीज़ के बारे में लिखने वाले हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप लिखने जा रहे हैं अपना इंट्रोडक्शन, तो ये बिल्कुल क्लियर है कि आप अपने इंट्रोडक्शन में आप खुद को ही इंट्रोड्यूस करवाएंगे। आप खुद को अपने इंट्रोडक्शन में क्या क्या कह सकते हैं, योर नेम, फादर्स नेम, और वेयर यू लिव, what are your hobbies, what things you like and dislike, and these kind of things. That means that first step is to choose a clear topic. Now pick a topic you understand and can explain easily. Make sure it is interesting and simple. Choose such a topic about which you have the know-how of, and also make sure that it is interesting and simple. Your topic should be interesting also and simple also. And when you are writing the essay, you should use a language that is very much of easy language, easy and simple language. Our next point is that how to improve your writing skills or improve the essay. Make an outline. How to make an outline? Outline means that you are going to write the exact points at how you are going to introduce your essay. First of all, you will write your name, your basic information, and then you will introduce your favorite things, and then maybe you are trying to tell about your hobbies, then you are trying to tell about which things you like, then you are trying to tell about which things you dislike, etc. So you will make an outline. Outline means that that is a rough sketch of what you are going to write. Before writing, plan your essay with 3 parts. There are 3 parts in an outline. What are those 3 parts? Those 3 parts are, first of all, there is an introduction. In the introduction, you introduce your topic, that what you are going to talk about. And the next point is, in introduction, you start with a short opening about the topic. In that topic also contains your topic sentence about which I told you previously. And then the second most important part of an essay is body. You write 2 to 3 main points with details in the body of an essay. With the details, for example, you are talking about your hobbies. You will talk in it about the details of that, and then you will move forward. And then at the end, you will have the conclusion of the topic, and with a strong closing sentence that how you are going to close your essay. And after that, our third point of our essay writing is use easy and correct language. Your language should be easy and the correct language should be used over there. Write in simple sentences, avoid difficult words, and check spelling and grammar. Your sentences should be very simple. There should be no grammatical errors, and avoid difficult words. Sometimes we think that if we use difficult words, it is all right. No, you have to use simple words, but in a balanced way, in a way that everybody is able to understand your essay. Brainstorming about the essay is very essential, because once when you realize the importance of brainstorming, and when you do the brainstorming thinking about the topic, that what things you can include in your essay, that is the most essential thing that you should be having. Our fourth point is stay on the topic. Don't derail from the topic. If you are talking about your introduction, stay on the topic. Don't go hither and thither from your topic. And the next point is in staying the topic, do not add unnecessary ideas. For an instance, you are talking about Pakistan. You're talking about your introduction. You say that I live in Pakistan, and you start talking about Pakistan and Pakistan. No, you have to stay consistent on your topic by speaking only about yourself and your introduction instead of going to unnecessary ideas. Then every sentence should support the main topic. Your introduction should be supported by every sentence. Then our last point is read and revise. Fifth point, read and revise. After finishing, read your essay again to correct mistakes and improve sentences and sentence structures. So these were our 5 important ideas for the basic students how they can improve their essay writing. It is very essential for you to practice more and more and to improve yourselves. I hope you got these 5 important and essential top points that how you can improve your essay writing at the basic level. Please, if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll be having this journey of learning English language in more easy and better way. Thank you so much.